Hello, I am Terry B. Jones and I am a Forex trader. And what I have for you today, I just want to share some information as far as what I believe is a great diary that I have created for not just for myself, but for those who are trading on a daily basis, where you're getting swipe trades, you're getting signals, and you just want to keep track of the different currency pairs. You want to keep track of how many pips that you've earned, your balance, and all those types of things. Okay, and so what I want to show you what I was doing at first. I just had like little strips of pieces of paper that I was working on, and of course on each day I would write down my balances, my earnings on here, and then I just got like all kind of notebooks, you name it. I pretty much did it, and so it's very unorganized. So like I said, the back of mail, because when the swipe trade come in, I want to go ahead on and write it down. And so anyway, I guess that's not really that organized. So with that in mind, I basically designed this book. Okay, 90 days. Basically Forex Trader's Diary, where you can keep track of your daily swipe trade signals and set and forget trade earnings. Okay, and so what I'm going to show you is on the inside of here. Pretty much you can just take this book and let me show you on my screen here versus the actual book. It is 90 days or 90 different trades. Okay, and so that's the cover of it. This is actually the inside of it. You can write down what today is, your 90-day goals that you want to strive for the month, and then you can put down some appointments that you want, or reminders. You can put down the most important thing that you will need to do in these next 90 days, the top 3 things, any kind of reflection or thoughts that you may have, some follow-up people, phone calls, basically, and then your earnings goal for the 90 days, and what is it that you can do to help someone else, because basically we're all in this thing together. There's a section for you to write some words of gratitude, affirmation, and then I have a little coloring area. Some days they just kind of get a little stressful, and so you can just color. Okay, and then here's a sample of what you would be writing down. Okay, you write down today's date, you write down your pip goal for the day, you write down your beginning balance of the amount of money in your broker's account, and then what the profit was at the end of that day. Okay, then you write down your trade alert pairs that you were trading, the time that you received it, basically who that signal came from. It could be from the scanner, it could be from a UOP, it could be from pretty much Lee, and it could be your own trade. Okay, and then of course the broker account that is associated with that particular trade you're getting ready to do. You would write down whether it's a sell or a buy, buy stop, sell stop, buy limit, whatever the situation is, market execution. And then basically I have a spot in here, a space in here where you can put a screenshot of your actual success that you had. Okay, and then of course make sure you always put the disclaimer that your results may vary. Okay, whenever you're doing that and sharing that. And then of course you put your the entry time frame, whether it was the 30-minute, the hour, the 4-hour, or what have you, your lot size, your that you use, your entry price, your stop loss, your take profit 1, 2, 3. Sometimes some of them have that. Your partial profit that you took, because if you put in like a 0.05 and you want to take out maybe 3.03, you will put that down, and then you will put down what your closing profit was, your new stop loss, if you go and change that, because sometimes we end up getting that, doing that with some of the trades, and then write down the total pips that you earn for the day. Okay, and so that's pretty much it. And so each day you would just track your daily trading. All right. And so if this is something that you like, hey, you know what, this would be great, you know, for me to use, you know, it's a something that you can share, you know, with others, that you're trying to let them see, hey, this is a real deal. You know, this isn't, you know, something, some kind of bells and whistles where we just kind of, you know, just trying to tell you to get involved with this because, you know, something that we just doing just to be doing. All right. So basically, I just want to thank you for taking a look at this video. If you want to place an order for this, okay, this is on Amazon. I have priced it to me well so that you can get this in your hands, and starting, I would say, the month of July, that would be great for you to go ahead on and get this so that you can have it starting in July for this next quarter. Okay, for this next quarter, go ahead on and track your results. Okay, so you can see how the market, you know, moves during the summer months, because that's where we are. We're in the summer months. Then when the winter months come along, you can order another one to get one for the winter, and then for the spring you order another one and see how that goes. And so basically all the different seasons is what I'm saying. All right, so thank you so much and have a great day.